Okay, problem 3 deals with the installment sales method, and it asks us how much is gross profit and what is the balance in the deferred gross profit. So just a quick reminder, what this is talking about is that whenever you make a sale, your sales dollar is part profit and part cost of goods sold. Now, we have to figure out what the percentage is here. That's what we have to figure out. That's our question first. So there's two ways we can do that. We can take, we'll do 2013 first. We can take 510 minus 408, which gives us 102,000. Divide that by 510, and we get 20%. That would give us the profit. Or, because I am like really lazy and it's easier to do it this way, I would take the 408 divide by 510. That gives me 80%. That's my cost of goods sold. So if I take the cost of goods sold from 100%, if my 80% is cost of goods sold, my 20% is profit. Either way will give you the same exact answer. I just like this way because it's just a little bit easier. So what that tells you is for every dollar collected, 20% of it is profit. So let's take a look at this. In 2013, we collected $170,000. In 2013, 20% of that is profit. So 20% of 170,000 is 34,000. That's our deferred profit in 2013. So we'll make a note over here. This is 20% profit. And then we'll do the same calculation over here, and we find that this is 10% profit. We'll do the same thing. In this case, it's easier for me to take the 450 from the 500. I see $50,000. I know that's 10% profit. But you could do it either way. You could take 450, divide by 500, come up with 90%, give you the cost of goods sold, and then you have the profit. So now we have to take a look at the gross profit that we should recognize in 2014. And what we have to do is we have to take, we're collecting 125,000, and that's at 20%, and we're collecting 135,000, and that's at 10%. So when we do that, this comes out to be 25,000, and this is 13,500. So our gross profit that we should recognize in 2014 is 38,500. And if we had 3 years or 4 years or 5 years, we would just keep stretching that out. Now, it's important, it's nice to know what we collected. It's also important to know how much is in our deferred gross profit, because deferred means will be collected. So that's where we have to go next. So let's take a quick look. For 2013, we know that our gross profit is 102,000. Okay. And we also know that of that, we have to consider how much of the gross profit we recognized in 2013. So in 2013,